Hello folks, Gino here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas with a 2013 Harley Davidson Fat Bob I want to show you. Got some pretty cool upgrades on it. Got a Screaming Eagle heavy breather up here on the intake. Upgraded Vance & Hines 2-into-1 exhaust header. Bike comes with a 103 and a 6-speed. Chrome cigar style shocks. Excellent tires on it. That's the same tires that come on it from the factory. Slotted aluminum dish mag wheels front and rear with dual front disc brakes, black powder coated lowers, dual headlights, black powder coated risers here, blacked out motor. Just a really slick bike, forward mount foot controls. It's only got 2,919 miles on it. Let's talk to you. Paint looks good on it. There may be one or two little spots on it that maybe from a little rock chip or something. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team at 817-985-8888. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. We ran this bike through the shop, checked it out. She is ready to rock. Got some excellent financing and extended warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade. Sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for looking.